Now we will get a Groq API key. So you search Groq API key, you click on the official website, then you either you create an account or you log in with your account. You can create an account with your email. I'm logging, so I will create an API key. I can call it Clearline Projects. Then I can set an expiration, but here I won't touch that. I submit. And here, very important, copy the key and paste it in a safe place because Groq website will not let you get the key again another time. If you don't have it, if you lose it, you will need to create a new one. And that's it. You click done, and that's okay.